7. Critical preps. You can't ignore in 2025. Most people prepping focus on food and water, and that's a good start. But if you stop there, you're leaving yourself vulnerable. Emergencies in 2025 will demand more, a lot more. Here are 7 preps you need to lock in now. 1. Physical fitness. You are your own first responder. If you can't walk a few miles or carry your gear, you're at a huge disadvantage. Fitness isn't about looks, it's about survival. Build your strength, stamina, and agility now. 2. Food security. Store food, sure, but learn to grow it too. Start small with a garden or containers on the balcony. Every calorie you can produce reduces your dependence on a broken supply chain. 3. Community. You can't do this alone. Build relationships with family, neighbors, and like-minded people. Community equals security when things get tough. Strengthen those ties now. Times are uncertain, but you can get ready. 4. Financial preparedness. Get your money tight. Cut expenses. Pay off debt. Start an emergency fund even if it's small. Every dollar saved today is a lifeline tomorrow. 5. Energy independence. Grid failure is common after disasters. Have backups, solar generators, battery banks, and simple low-tech tools. You don't need to power your whole house, just the essentials to stay safe and sane. 6. Skills that matter. Stockpiling is good, but skills are better. Learn first aid, practice bushcraft, know how to fix things. If you lose everything, your skills are what will keep you alive. Finally, 7. Mental toughness. This one's overlooked. Stress, fear, and panic destroy decision-making. Train your mind. Get comfortable with discomfort. A calm head in chaos makes all the difference. Visit our website today and use the promo code FRIEND10 for a 10% discount at alwaysbereadyusa.com. Be prepared, not scared. Because 2025 isn't going to wait.